Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to hide photos on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open your gallery. And then here you can long press on the picture you want to hide. And then you can select Add to Album. After that, press Private Album here. And then read the condition. After that, click OK to continue. Got it? And then draw an unlock pattern. And then confirm it as before. And then you already have a new private album and you can hide any photos by adding it to this album. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to hide photos on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.